Hey friends, if you wish to fix Werfault.exe error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So the first solution is to update drivers to optional updates. Now how do we do this? So to update drivers to optional updates, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options, click on optional updates, and if you find any optional updates here, then you can install them on your system. The next solution is to update Windows. Now, how do we update Windows? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is a malware scan. How do we do this? Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Now go to virus and threat protection on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select scan options, select full scan and then select scan now. The last solution is an SFC scan. How do we perform an SFC scan? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now type the command sfc / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. Else let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.